Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a DMRC record in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for your domain to add a DMRC domain, you will need just to add the TXT record for this field. So basically if we go to our settings and then search for our domains where we can connect our domains with our Shopify store. So for example, you will need to connect an existing domain that you have either by or anything you have you are a proprietary of your domain. So I'm just going to choose this domain as testing, and basically you will need to use your actual domain. And so first you will need to log in to your provider, which means either your Google Domains or GoDaddy account or a Namecheap account or any, or maybe even Hostinger or any domain provider accounts that you have or where you have both your domain. So then you will need just to open the DNS settings in provider accounts, and after that you will need just to copy paste these records. So basically for this you will need just to add these values, and for the CNAME you will have this your the A record, and for the DMARC record you will need just to add the TXT record, and then you can verify connection and you will be able to connect your domain with Shopify. So simply this is the way to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.